If CapCut is not opening on your PC, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing as quickly as possible. This problem is usually caused by a stuck background process, corrupted cache files, outdated graphics drivers, or a broken installation. The good news is that most of these fixes are easy to do, and I'll show you the safest order to try them in. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick PC fixes and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we want to make sure CapCut is not already running in the background. Sometimes the app opens, crashes, or hangs silently, and then Windows thinks it is still active even though no window is visible. To check this, press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list carefully. Check both the Apps section and the Background Processes section for anything labeled CapCut. If you see it, right-click on it and choose End Task. This forces Windows to fully close the program and clears out any stuck session that might be blocking it from opening again. After that, try launching CapCut one more time and see if it opens normally. If CapCut still will not open, the next and most effective fix is to delete the corrupted cache or settings file. This is one of the most common reasons the app refuses to launch on PC. To do this, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the field, type %local app data % and press Enter. This will take you into the local app data folder on your computer. From there, look for the CapCut folder and open it. Inside, find the user data folder. In that folder, look for a folder called Settings. This folder can sometimes become corrupted and stop CapCut from loading properly. You can either delete the settings folder completely or rename it to settings_old if you want to keep a backup. Renaming it is a good option if you want to restore it later, but deleting it is often the cleanest fix. Just keep in mind that this may reset some preferences, but in most cases, your projects remain safe. Once that is done, close everything and try opening CapCut again. If the app still refuses to launch, the next thing you should check is your graphics driver. CapCut relies on GPU acceleration, and if your graphics driver is outdated or broken, the app may fail during startup. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open GeForce Experience and check for updates. If you are using AMD or Intel graphics, open their driver utility if you have one, or use Windows Update to search for the latest driver updates. Installing the newest graphics driver can fix startup crashes, black screens, and loading issues. After updating, restart your computer so the changes can fully apply, then test CapCut again. Now, if none of those fixes work, the most likely issue is a damaged installation. In that case, you should reinstall the verified official version of CapCut. First, uninstall CapCut from Windows Settings, then go to the official CapCut website and download the installer directly from CapCut.com. This is important because you want to make sure you are using the legitimate version and not an outdated or modified installer from another source. After downloading, install CapCut again, then launch it fresh and see if it opens properly. A clean reinstall often fixes missing files, broken updates, and installation errors that prevent the app from starting. As an extra tip, if you are still having trouble after reinstalling, restart your PC once more and try running CapCut as an administrator. That can sometimes help if Windows permissions are interfering with the app launch. Just right-click the CapCut shortcut and choose Run as administrator to give it the permissions it may need. So to quickly recap, the best order is end CapCut in Task Manager, delete the corrupted settings folder, update your graphics drivers, and then reinstall the official version if needed. In most cases, one of those fixes will solve the issue and get CapCut opening again on your PC. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.